Have you ever thought to yourself, all right, today's the day, I'm finally gonna start making videos for my business, that's it.
Let's do it.
But then, now what? You feel like you're back in school staring at a blank Word doc and you have no ideas on what to write. Watch this video and you will have your starting point from here on out, I promise. I'll be covering the 3 main types of videos that are used for marketing. Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthew, and I'm here to help business owners and brands do better video marketing so they can dominate their market and crush their competition. The magic of video can literally put your message in front of millions of people at the same time, but you knew that.
Hey,
Sorry, brother, I'm not interested, man.
That's the same thing my mom told my dad, but 9 months later I was born.
So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time we publish a new video. In this video, I'm covering the 3 main types of videos your business could and should be using right now. Don't mistake type of video for style of video. These are 2 different things. I'll cover the different styles of videos in another video. So how do you choose the type of video to make? Tell me! All right, first things first. You need to answer a few questions so you can properly understand the purpose of the video. What is the outcome you're looking for? Where will you publish the video? Who do you want to watch the video? These are just a few questions that if you jot the answers down to, will help you tremendously in determining the type of video you should make. Easy enough, right? Yeah! Type of video number 1, the promo video. A promo video length will range between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. This is by far the most common type of video that somebody produces if they want to sell something. One example, you're a dentist and you have a 50% off special. Maybe you're a gym and you're offering a 7-day free pass. Or maybe, just maybe, you're a video marketing agency and you have a kick-ass video marketing system that can help virtually any business that implements it. I know a great company for that. Be sure to check out our website. A promo video is a great way to create awareness for your product or service. We are assuming that the viewer already understands what the product or service is that you're selling. And the most important thing it has is a call to action.
What's that?
Yeah, what is that?
According to Google, a piece of content intended to induce a viewer, reader, or listener to perform a specific act, typically taking the form of an instruction or directive. Example, buy now or click here. Type of video number 2, the explainer video. This type of video runtime ranges between 2 minutes and up to 60 minutes. I've seen some explainer videos that are like mini documentaries, so well produced and go into such great detail explaining the product or service that I felt like an expert by the time I was done watching that video. Imagine this. What if you could get your perfect prospect to watch your video that clearly explains your most profitable and top-selling product or service? Everything was explained in the video in an engaging and entertaining way, down to every last detail. A complete demo, excellent imagery, and voiceover, all with the main goal of getting your viewer to understand why they need your product or service right now. This person would be pre-sold once they called you or visited your order page. Most of the selling would be already done. Wouldn't that be amazing?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Almost as amazing as you clicking that like button right below this video. Right, Carlos?
That will be amazing.
And now for the big finale. Type of video number 3, the educational video. In the new information world that we all live in today, learning how to do something is as simple as asking YouTube. For example, let's say a dentist told you that you needed a root canal, but you just didn't want one. Hey, YouTube, what are some root canal alternatives? Or your child has a tough time breathing while he's sleeping at night. We actually had this issue with our son. You get the point. There's an answer and a video for everything. And if you have a product or service that solves a specific problem or solves many problems, jot down a list. Make an action plan to create a video that educates people on how to solve each and every one of those problems. Educational videos can be one-off videos or a series of videos. A video series, my favorite, will guide the viewer from the beginning of not understanding anything all the way to the end goal of being fully educated or enlightened on your product or service. Educational videos are extremely powerful and in some cases can take the place of a salesperson or even a whole sales team. If you deliver them correctly, in the right sequence, with the right timing, in the right video sales funnel, they can really do wonders for your business. So in conclusion, Number 1, the promo video. Number 2, the explainer video. Number 3, the educational video. So now you understand all 3 types of marketing videos if your business is doing or interested in doing marketing videos. They each serve a purpose, so remember to start with the purpose in mind. That will help you decide which path to go down right out of the gates. Be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our other videos. My name is Matthew with Madcapper Marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.